Hey, folks, today, we're tackling a common concern learning English when you live in an English-speaking country but don't speak English yet. I'm here to share my journey and tips to navigate this. Living in America, I found myself in a situation where I needed to learn English to thrive. It was tough at first, but I made progress by being open-minded. I began with basic words and phrases, then moved on to daily conversations. Always remember, learning a language takes time and dedication. You won't master it overnight. The key is practice, and as you progress, your confidence will grow too. So, don't be afraid to make mistakes or stumble on words. That's part of the journey. So, if you're embarking on this journey or know someone who is, remember this advice: be patient, keep practicing, and your efforts will pay off. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy learning!